Hem to Ptah. Geb the earth commanded the Ennead to assemble. Geb ended the war by dividing Egypt between Horus and Set. Horus would rule over Lower Egypt in the north, Set would rule over Upper Egypt in the south. Geb gave the land of Horus over the land of Set. Horus united Upper and Lower Egypt. Osiris marched through the gates of death. Horus conquered the land of the living. Isis proposed an end to wars. Nephthys decreed that Horus and Set become brothers. The caused souls of all the living were created in the image of Ptah, all formed in his heart and by his tongue. Horus was created from the thought of Ptah's heart. Thoth was formed by the words of Ptah's tongue. Ptah's heart guides the Ennead. Ptah's tongue directs humans. Ptah creates the Ennead with only teeth and lips. Atum must create with hands and semen. Atum had to masturbate to bring forth the Ennead. Ptah had only to speak and the Ennead came forth. Ptah called the names of Shu and Tefnu. The wind and the rain gave birth to the Ennead. Sight, hearing, and smell all report to the heart. The heart is the source of all knowledge. The tongue speaks only what the heart thinks. Atum thinks only the thoughts of Ptah. The Ennead speaks only the words of Ptah. Ptah's heart grants the gift of life. Ptah's tongue organizes life's abundances. Ptah's heart grants life to the steady heart. Ptah's tongue orders death for fools. Ptah is the creator of all crafts and trades. Ptah is the ruler of the Ennead. Ptah gave birth to the Ennead in all things. Ptah is the ruler of the Ennead. Having done all these things, Ptah rested and was content with his work.